Why do you think organizing such a conference is important to your mission?
Because medicine is such a competitive field now, we have to remind ourselves that it's still a team sport. I think the best way to approach it is by meeting people that are also interested in it as well, to form those connections so that you can help each other along the way to achieve the goals that you share individually as well as a group together.
It's nice to get everyone from every walk and background together to see exactly what we're doing in healthcare and how that's progressing, and to get everyone's opinions and kind of see how that fits into where you are and what you're planning to do.
You can be a nurse practitioner, you can be a physician assistant, you can be a medical doctor, you can be a PT. There are just endless opportunities within medicine, and once you've started on the path to it, it's really nice to have a guiding hand throughout the process.
To be able to see someone who's been through everything and succeeded is very inspirational for students at such a young age.
We provide them with the resources so that they could be successful.
They are able to learn more about mentorship opportunities, shadowing opportunities, volunteering opportunities, and that together will help them develop in their career, but it will also help raise future activists and leaders in the Polish community.